Hey YouTube, it's Gary and Scott with the Northern Road Kings. Where are we today, Scott?
Today we're at Wolf Motorcycle in London, Ontario.
And it's March here. You can still see the snow behind us, but we were invited in after hours to have a look around the showroom and get some footage of the bikes. It's going to be a great video. Stay tuned.
I bet you're familiar with the phrase like a kid in a candy shop. That feeling of overwhelming excitement by being around something you enjoy. Today we are those kids, and motorcycles are our sugar. We are the Northern Road Kings, and for 2 quarters less than 50 cents, we'll take you to the candy shop.
Hey YouTube, it's Gary and Scott with the Northern Road Kings. We have a special one today. We're at Wolf Motorcycle, and we're going to take a look around. We were invited in here by Mark. Mark, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and what the store's about here?
Well, Wolf Motorcycle has been around for 34 years. Started with BMW Motorrad 6 years ago. I approached Polaris, and they were fortunate enough to award us the Indian brand along with Slingshot. Polaris have done a great job revitalizing the iconic headdress and build a wonderful product. So very excited to have them here in the Forest City.
All right.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a look around. I'm excited. There's a lot of nice bikes here. We'll see you soon. All right, YouTube, that was our video. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Mark for having us in here. So Mark, if people want to get a hold of you or buy something, how do they do that?
Well, of course, they can go online and Google us at Wolf Motorcycle in London, Ontario. We've got a website that they can contact us, or they can call us direct, or they can even visit our showroom. We have an 8,000 square foot showroom here showing BMW Motorrad, and as well as the Indian motorcycle, and of course Slingshot. So we're located at 1331 Hyde Park Road in London, and or they can give me a call direct. I'm here all the time.
Okay, and we'll put your stuff in the description below, so if you want to get a hold of Mark, you can just check that out below.
Perfect, thank you.
All right, YouTube, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, share the video with your friends, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.